Okay, this is Theo's blanket, you guys. This is Theo's blanket. Okay? Yeah? Want to sniff it? Want to smell it? You smell your baby brother? Huh? You smell your baby brother? What's that? You're like, what are you doing? Huh? You don't smell anything? Bozer Beasley. We got more. We got more. What's that? You smell the baby? Do we need to get you a diaper? A dirty diaper? Huh? You want to wear it like a shawl? That's your baby brother. Yeah. What do you think, Bozy? Beasley, you're just like a bull in a china shop. Bozer. Beezers, you smell? You smell, Theo? Huh? Are you gonna lay down on his blanket? Is that what you're gonna do? What's that, huh? Yeah. What are you thinking? Huh? That's Theo's blanket. You smell it, huh? Yeah? You sure know how to take over a room, Beasley. Oh, okay. Let's put a shawl on you, Beezers. What do you think, Beasley? Huh? Yeah? Is that yours? Beezer! Whose blanket is that? You smell the baby? There you go. You smell the baby? Huh? You smell the... Oh! Peekaboo! You smell the baby? There you go. There we go, Bozers. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, you smell your brother? Yeah? Yeah. What's that smell? Yeah? Oh, is that a good boy? Yeah? Is that your baby brother? Yeah. You're gonna meet him soon enough. Yeah. We'll go meet him soon enough. What do you smell? There you go. Oh, you gonna lay down on it? Say night-nights. What do you think, Bose? Huh? Yeah? Did you get a good whiff? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Love you, Mom and Dad. Thanks for our baby brother, huh? Yeah? Okay. You're still smelling there, buddy? Good job, Beasley. Good job. Okay. Okay, back to